connecting to Oracle data. So now I have already Oracle database installed. Okay, so let me show you that. SQL plus forward slash is DBA. Instead of giving it as HR is the schema, I will show you what are all the list of tables here. Select star from tab. Can you see there are many list of tables over here? Okay, I just wanted to get connected using the Tableau now. Okay, let me just go down to the Oracle. I just wanted to connect to the Oracle, but before connecting to the Oracle, we have seen some data, right? So let me just, I just wanted to connect to the Oracle. You can see the credentials over here. Yeah, sure. See, in the command prompt, you could clearly see like, see, once you install the Oracle, and if you can explore or you wanted to connect it to the any sort of HR user, you need to first unlock it basically. But that procedure was not shown here, but I am going to log into this one already right now, whatever it is there currently. Okay. Okay. So what I'm going to do, select star from tab. You could see by giving the select star from tab, you can explore all the list of tables over here. Understand? All of you understand this one? So this is what I'm trying to explore over here. I'm trying to connect it to the Oracle data. You can connect it to MySQL. You can connect it to n number of databases from here. You could see whenever I click on this more, I will show you. Just say, let me just first sign into this particular data source. So I have just connected to the Oracle database by giving the respective credentials, and I have connected to all the data, whatever it is there. You can connect it to the MySQL, and you can also connect it to many other data sources. Okay, by clicking on this one, and you click on more, it will show you all the list of databases, you know, for how many databases we have the driver in the background. Okay, if you have the driver, you can do that one, not a problem. Okay, understand, Ankur? If you have a driver, you can get it connected to this one. Now let me explore the data. You could see I have a employees data, and I have the departments data. When I drag the data onto this particular work area, I can easily see the list of all contents over there here. Okay, so now I will show you how to join the tables, two different tables, how to join the two different tables in Tableau in a very easy format. Just before you are going to drag whatever the tables that you want to see a relation, you first need to check what are the not at least one common column between them. Okay, in this scenario, if I'm going to drag something called a customers, if you ask me, there is no meaning actually. Okay, there is not even a single particular column, hence it is giving you an error. Okay, let me just remove this part. Let me move the departments table over here. When you move the departments, you could see automatically it will identify the employee ID. There are two stuff that you can go ahead by connecting this. So I just wanted to make it using department ID. Okay, rather than using the manager ID or employee ID. Okay, I can make it using the department ID. See, you can, this is the data actually by using the department ID. And you can go for the sheet and you could see the data over here. Okay, so for example, I just wanted to see the department wise salary consumption. Understand my problem statement, all of you? Department wise salary consumption. Okay, so department wise salary consumption would be something like this. I want a department name. How many department names are there? First of all, I wanted to know the department names. Okay, these are all the departments actually. Okay, there are many departments in this. And I wanted to see the salaries. Okay, see, you could see the salary. See, there are different departments. Some of the departments doesn't have the salary itself, it seems. Okay, and you can always try, make it by sum of salary, and you can make it at the decrease mode, descending mode. Nothing happened, Ankur. Okay, for that you need to understand more about joins. Generally, however the joins work, we will go ahead in the same way. Okay, I will explain you about the joins in the SQL in the real sessions actually. Okay, may not be exactly here in this demo. Okay, why? Because it will take much more time, so that we will not get time to explore much here. Okay, so now let us take a look at these visualizations. I will definitely answer your questions a lot. So if you can take a look at this one, you could see this is how can you please tell me, based upon this visualization, which is the department which is getting a lot of salaries? By looking at this, can you please tell me which department is getting a lot of salaries? Excellent. The sales is the department, okay, which is getting the lot of salaries. So I wanted to see one more thing. Okay, I wanted to see the commission. How much is the, I mean, based upon the commission, I just want to color out that one. Okay, generally the commissions, however, that they're going to each and every department. Okay, I wanted to make them colored. Okay, instead of this one, I just wanted to make it green and why? Because the commissions are not much here. Okay, it is applicable only for the one particular such a commission is there only for the sales department. We can clearly observe that part. Hence, even you cannot make more about this part. So the rest of the all departments doesn't have any sort of commissions except the sales department. Understand, all of you? Okay, exactly. But whatever it is, I wanted to see like how much the amount that I'm spending for the salaries, right? That is important for each department. How much is my investment? So, and also I just want to show you. So we understood something like this. Okay, let me just go ahead with another chart. Okay, and how exactly I want it. I mean, I'm showing you how easiness the business related chartings. Okay, this is a basic charts that I'm showing you guys right now at this point of time. We could explore more about the charts. Even these basic charts will give you a clear cut understanding about how well the business prospects and business related demand, uh, the visualizations which are in demand can be provided using the current data. So you could see like commission underscore PCT and the salary. And out of this, let us try exploring the department name, manager ID, and hire date. Okay, I wanted to see all the employees. Okay, that may be of that may be using the first name. Okay, I could see all the employees, and let me filter each and every employee's salary, and you could see a lot of bump in this one. Why? Because there is a lot of employees over here. Okay, and you could see the salaries, and I want to see based upon the hire date. Okay, I want to see the people so salary based upon the hire date. Okay, where I just wanted to mention only in the only 2008 year. Okay, if you could see, these are all the only people who have been hired in the 2008, and I want to see how many of these people are getting the commission. Wow, only one guy. Okay, Ilani is the only one guy who is getting this commission, and rest of all the people are not getting the commission. Maybe they are belonging to the different department. Okay, are you all good with this frame, or do you have any questions, guys? Any questions? Raghu Rao, Rekha Nair, Satya, Srinivas, Vijay, Kranti Kalyan, Anwari, and Ankur. Okay. So here, let us try one more visualization. Okay. Let us see one more visualization where this time I don't wanted to use this one. I just wanted to add one more data source. For example, if I just wanted to add multiple data sources, can I add it in the Tableau or not? That's the first question. Yes, I do can add. I'm just going to add one more world indicators. World indicators is one of the data set, okay, which is already there with us, and you could see like there is a lot of lot of business related, development related, health related kind of data with us, and the population data and all kind of stuff. Okay, now I wanted to explore within a country. Okay, let me just drag the country wise stuff dimension. You could see all the countries are being shown over here. Whatever the data it is there here. This is generally called as, what kind of graph is this? Symbol maps. Okay, this is generally called as a symbol maps. Let me just hide this card, and I will show you all this. All these are the countries. You could see a lot of countries over here: India, Sri Lanka, all the countries. Okay, I wanted to see the countries based upon the size of the, only I just want to see the population. Guys, we know who is the top in population in the entire world. Who is top in the population in the entire world? Now, China. Now let us try exploring the population. Okay, population total in the size of the, understand? I have just dragged the population, sum of population, okay, onto the size, which is there in the marks card. You could see clearly the China, which is having a more population, and next is India, and you don't find any other any other country even near to this, right or wrong? And we could see like Indonesia is another one, which is a budding fellow, okay, where they are just beside us, and then Pakistan, and before that one we can see that United States, which is going to be with nearly 40 crore people. Okay, and we are already with 148 crore. Okay, and here with 170 crore people. So this is, we can see that a lot of people, and I can also go ahead for, this is about the size. Okay, I wanted to see the colors based upon business, the best business. Okay, ease of doing the business. Okay, so ease of doing the business, I want to color that in the coloring. Oh my god, so where is this? Okay, ease of doing the business is also there in India, is it? Otherwise, let me edit the colors in another manner. Red, green diverging, this is good. And we can, let me try using these colors in a different manner. Use full color range, apply. So if you can take a look at this one, what is the country that you could see the ease of doing the business? For example, you could see some of the dark spots of the green, okay, where you want to explore, but you don't know how to explore. Just click on this one, you just zoom it. See, it is something, it is very, very dark in color. Congo. Okay, the ease of doing the business is 183 points. Okay, so now once after you do this one, just click on this part, you will be back. Again, you could see a dark spot over here, Myanmar, which is 182, but the 183 is the top one, right? Not more than that. So we can click on this part, and you could see that this is 188. Libya is 188, and we are at the 131. Ease of business is 131. Okay, I don't see any other stuff. Like 188 is the top, I think. Okay, and even in the United States, it is really, worse. It is 4.0, the sum of ease of businesses. Okay, and it's a Brazil, it's good, it's quite good and all stuff. So this is how that we can explore the data. Okay, by looking at it, we can clearly present our data in a representable format. Okay, these are all the general charts that we can go ahead with. Okay, we can do, more charting. Okay, something like this. Why? Because we have many charts, nearly, 24, more than 24 we do have, but out of which chart that we need to use based upon the problem statement and based upon the data that we do have is a very important thing. Okay, if you could not be able to get that part, then we cannot understand, first of all. Okay, understand all of you guys? So while I'm showing this one, what are all the things that you have identified which is completely weird? Okay, I know, Ankur, that you know a little bit about this one. Abhishek, Dawari, and Anwari, Kranti Kalyan, Lakshmi Narayana, you might have been aware of little bit. Why? Because you are already into that. And Raghu Rao, Satya, and Srinivas and Vijay. What is the thing that you find something weird when I'm explaining you this one? What are the options that you can find something, where you can't immediately understand it? May I know what exactly it is that you could not be able to understand quite immediately when I'm doing these kind of visualizations? Why? Because I could say that I'm pretty fast over here at this point of time, just in order to show you the couple of visualizations, how do we do it, and the three different kinds of visualizations, but not exactly at the depth level of each and every visualization that I could say. But during these kind of visualizations, what are the things that you have understood quite basically, while the way that we are connecting to the, why? Because we have seen how we connected to the Oracle data, and we have seen how do we connect it to the Tableau, you know world indicators data set, and also we have seen how we can explore the rest of all the visualizations from based upon that particular data. Any comments, guys? Yeah, you can make a tooltip, Ankur. It's not a big deal. It's already there, the tooltip. Whenever you move across any one particular thing, you will get a tooltip, right? Externally, you can make it again. Understand? You can always get it by default. If not externally, you can make a tooltip. Okay. Yes, Vijay. Analytics tab completely relates to the some sort of analysis, detailed data analysis. For this kind of detailed data analysis, definitely we would require some sort of statistical knowledge, a minimal statistical knowledge, which would be covered in this particular course, where we will be understanding about the mean, median, mode, and some sort of probability related stuff to understand more about the confidence intervals, and how exactly that we can mean the quartiles. Okay, what do we mean by quartiles and all? Okay, and we will be understanding this kind of terminologies in the data analysis. Okay, did I answer your question, Vijay? Okay, so Ankur is asking, can we represent Asia region instead of world geography? Yeah, why not? Why are you asking something like that? Within the world geography, you can mention everything, right? There is no such kind of stuff like only one country independently, something like a graph, I mean complete map that it would be representing actually. Okay, whenever if you are going to uncheck the data, it is not going to show you something like that then, in that cases. Understand? No, no, not like that actually. See that if you want something like that, you require you require definitely that particular data which is completely quite related only with the Indian map. If you have that data, obviously it will just quite relates to only the Indian map. Okay, there is no you, otherwise you can't see something like that. Okay, any more questions, guys? Okay, thanks guys, thanks for attending, thanks for your time, and we will meet again tomorrow 8 p.m sharp. Okay, thank you all.